1. YNAB. You need a budget. First up, the budgeting beast with a cult following, YNAB. This app is not about tracking money. It's about giving every single dollar a job. B-roll. Clean app interface. Assigning budget categories. Visual goals filling up. Pros. Zero-based budgeting. Total control. Syncs across all devices. Gamifies saving with goals and targets. Cons. Steep learning curve. Subscription only. 99-year. YNAB forces you to face the truth about your spending. And truth can be uncomfortable, but it's also liberating. Think of it like a personal trainer for your money. Tough at first, but transformative. But what if you need something simpler? A budgeting tool that works straight out of the box without needing a YouTube tutorial? 2. Mint by Intuit. Enter Mint, the OG, the set it and forget it of budgeting apps. And the best part? It's free. B-roll. Dashboard of Mint. Automated categorization. Alerts on spending. Pros. Automatic syncing with banks. Spending insights and alerts. Credit score tracking. Cons. Ads and upsells. Sometimes miscategorizes expenses. Mint is like that friend who gives great advice, but won't stop trying to sell you protein powder. For beginners, Mint offers comfort and clarity. But be careful. Automation without awareness can create blind spots. But maybe you want something that's both beautiful and brutally honest. A budgeting app that feels more like a lifestyle upgrade than a spreadsheet? 3. Monarch Money. Monarch Money is the new kid on the block, and it's coming for the crown. B-roll. Sleek visuals, couple budgeting features, joint goal setting. Pros. Gorgeous interface. Collaborative budgeting, great for couples. Custom rules and net worth tracking. Cons. Not free. $14.99 per month. Fewer bank integrations outside the US. Monarch isn't just about money. It's about building a shared financial vision, whether you're solo, in love, or building a business. But what if you're someone who just wants raw numbers, no fluff, like a budgeting terminator? 4. Pocket Guard. Pocket Guard is for the minimalist money master. It tells you one thing, what you can safely spend right now. B-roll. Spending limits, pie charts, safe-to-spend indicators. Pros. Clear safe-to-spend balance. Finds savings opportunities. Good for impulse control. Cons. Limited customization. Premium version needed for full features. Basically, it's like your financial conscience. Imagine your bank account whispering, "Put the latte down." But maybe you're thinking globally, traveling, earning in different currencies, budgeting across borders. 5. Good budget. In a world of endless subscriptions and invisible spending, good budget makes your money feel real again. But if you're still not sure which one's right for you, don't worry. Let's break it down. So, which one should you pick? If you crave control and power, YNAB. Want automation and ease? Try Mint. Looking for beauty and depth? Monarch's your move. Minimalist, no stress budgeter? Pocket Guard's calling. And if you want discipline in every dollar, good budget delivers. No matter where you start, what matters is that you start. Because if you don't tell your money where to go, you'll always wonder where it went. Download one of these today. Set your first budget. Your future self will thank you from a balcony somewhere tropical. Trust me, you don't want to be one of them. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and the bell icon